These are all accessories along with the AC. Before installing the AC, please park the vehicle on a flat surface and make sure to disconnect the vehicle from its power source, such as the battery or generator. Ensure there's no obstacle round the roof opening. Leave at least 2 inches around the opening side in case of an impact on the air distributor installation. Now let's start to install. First, to find a flat position on the roof and cut a 14-1 for 14-1/4-inch opening. Clean the roof surface around the opening. If the roof is not flat, use EVA strips to fill the edges after cutting. And apply the sealant between the strips and the roof for better sealing effect. Apply the provided sealing strip along the edge of the roof opening. Apply sealant along the edges of the sealing strip where it touches the roof, but also apply some on the top. Install the 8x100 screws with nuts, washers, and springs in order. There are 4 groups. Then insert them to the number 6 holes of the black bottom base ... in order to place the air conditioner correctly in the position. Please pay attention not to over-tighten the screws. Place the air conditioner on the roof opening and ensure its front faces the driving direction of the vehicle, and put its power cable down from the cutting roof. Remove 4 groups of the pre-installed screws from the air conditioner. Install the 2 mounting brackets at the bottom. The installer must fix them stable. Insert 4 groups of the screws through the hole of the brackets, then fix them in the number 6 holes of air conditioner base. Unscrew the black box of the power cable, then connect it with the pre-installed power line of the RV. Please don't mix up the positive and negative electrode. Reinstall the screws to fix the power line. Insert the lines to the display board in order. First, it is the temperature sensor line. Second, the controller line. Then, the fan line. Finally, the positive and negative power lines. Please don't mix up. Choose the right quantity of foam according to the height of your RV ceiling. Then stick sponge onto the airflow guiding foam. Please pay attention, don't stick sponge on the wrong side. Place the foam over the air outlet, then combine it with the external unit. Use the provided screws to secure the air outlet. Finally, use the provided decorative covers to conceal the screws. Installation completed. Showtime!